Good morning, I'm Sylvia, the crafty old lady. Thank you for joining me today. I appreciate you coming by to see what I've created very much. And I did a couple of little collages off camera. And I thought that one really looks cute. I didn't like it at first, but now I do. This one, it's kind of a more 70s vibe there. This has got inchies in the background and a magazine images. This one has stickers. These are all stickers down here. But today, I actually only have 4 pages left. I'm so excited. But I'm going to use this book, or something from this book, to use as my focal point. So it can't be too big though. This one is kind of nice, but I think it's too big. They're all kind of big. Here's some little ones. I'm going to go through this book. I don't know where my husband got this from, but he recently gave it to me. And it has all these flowers, and I had forgotten about it. So today is the day where I'm going to actually use something. Actually, there is actually 2. Let's see what's in this one. Okay, same kind of photographs and some line drawings. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through and pick out a photo and a line drawing and see what I can come up with for a collage. I've got these 2 pages totally cut out. I thought it might be fun to use this glossary page as a background. I also have this cut out, but these are Turk's cap lilies and they are native to my area, so I want to keep that picture. But I also do have this one and these. I'm leaning towards this one, but I'm going to make it smaller. And then I really want to incorporate one of these. So I'm not sure if I want this to be the background or this to be the background. So I'm going to make both, and then we'll see what to do after that. Okay, I'm really hoping that my camera is not filming this fuzzily. I've been having trouble with my camera not focusing, and I apologize if it is. And if you know anything about what I can be doing to fix that, let me know, please. But this is the one background, and this would be the next background. And I feel like, what's the point of this background? I'm just covering up that. So I will save this for something else. I'm going to ink around the edges, and I'm going to put this kind of like this, but I honestly don't know what else I can do here. I can't really add words because there's words in the back, but I feel like it's not finished. So I'm going to ink around everything and then figure out if I want to do anything else. Alright, so I'm going to glue this down. I do have some old, well, it's not old, it's new old tape that I made that I might cut up and put like on there to make it look like I'm holding this onto the page with it. That might add a little something something. Not sure, but we'll see because I'm going to do it. And I hope you are doing well today. We are having a beautiful sunny day, and I love beautiful sunny days. So, how's everybody doing so far this winter? If you really think about it, it's February. It's going to be February on Saturday, I believe, and that means winter is almost over. I remember when I used to live in Seattle, winter was pretty much over in February. It's not like that here. I'm in upstate New York, in case you are new. I have mentioned that many times. I am proud to be in upstate New York. And winter can be brutal here, and it's been pretty brutal this year. Last year was so mild. We got spoiled. But it's been very, very cold. And once it snowed, it never melted, and that's like the old days. So that was like the old days, but it's not as much snow as the old days, I have to say. It's just never melted. That's the problem. We get a few flurries pretty much every day, which is also like the old days. Okay, that's going to go there. Whatever this is, Habenaria paramoena. I don't know what that is. That must be like the Latin technical name for it, but I don't know. I couldn't find the actual common name for it. So if you know, let me know. So now what I'm going to do, I made this tape a long time ago, and so it's hard to get off. So I recommend that if you're going to make this tape, to use it right away. I need to make some more, but I don't really want to leave it sitting around. But I would like fresh tape. See? That just ripped off, but I think we can go ahead and use this piece, like right up here. There. It's just taped on. Let's get another piece of it. I was hoping to cut them into straight pieces, but I don't think that's going to work. Here's another piece. I'll put right down here. I still kind of don't feel like that's enough, though. You know? What else could I do here? I don't know. Send me some suggestions of what else I can put on here. I could try putting a word. I don't know how good that would look, though. Maybe a green one. Find joy in the ordinary. That kind of would go with that. I guess it might stick out because it's a different color. But I am going to ink it. Find joy in the ordinary. I think, you know, not too many people pay attention to the wildflowers that are growing, but I do, and I find great joy in nature. So I'm going to put this right up here, and I feel like nature is ordinary and extraordinary, which makes me wonder. I thought I saw something about extraordinary somewhere here. Let's see if I can find it, and I'll be back, and then I'll show you the finished results. So unfortunately, the one about the extraordinary moments had something to do with people. I don't even see it now. I know it's on this one somewhere, I think. Maybe not. Gosh. It was something about people can do extraordinary things or something like that. And I didn't feel like it fit with this. But I did find there is beauty and simplicity. So we're going to find joy in the ordinary and beauty and simplicity. And I feel like this is a very simple layout. And so there we have it. Thanks so much for watching. And I'm going to go ahead and film another one right after this. Bye-bye, guys.